You know that moment when you've found the most stunning dress. The heels are perfect, the wig is laid, and your makeup is flawless. But then you look in the full-length mirror and see those stubborn dark spots on your shins or that slight shadow of hair on your chest. It's frustrating, right? We've all been there, standing in the bathroom light, wondering if everyone is going to notice that one bruise or that patch of skin that just doesn't look as smooth as we want it to. It can honestly take the wind out of your sails and make you want to just stay home. But here's the thing, you deserve to feel absolutely incredible and radiant in every single inch of your skin. Today, we're going to talk about the secret weapon that changes the game entirely, and no, I'm not talking about a filter. We are diving deep into the magic of body foundations and how you can get that perfect, doll-like skin finish from head to toe. Listen, I know that for many of us in the MTF and cross-dressing community, skin can be a source of real anxiety. We're often dealing with things like thicker hair growth, razor burn, or maybe just skin that feels a little more rugged than we'd like. And let's be real, sometimes life just happens, you trip, you get a bruise, or maybe you have some old scars that make you feel a bit self-conscious when you're trying to present your most feminine self. It's okay to want to blur those things out. It's not about hiding who you are, it's about having the tools to present yourself exactly how you feel on the inside. Think of body foundation as your invisible confidence booster. It's like wearing a pair of high-definition stockings, but for your entire body. So, where do we even start? Honestly, the biggest mistake people make is thinking they can just use their face foundation on their legs or arms. Please don't do that. Face makeup is designed to be lightweight and breathable, but your body needs something much tougher. You need something that won't rub off on your clothes, won't melt the second you get a little warm, and has enough pigment to actually cover things up. Look for products specifically labeled as body makeup or high-coverage camouflage creams. These formulas are usually waterproof and transfer-resistant, which is exactly what you need when you're out living your best life. Now, before we even touch a drop of product, we have to talk about prep. You wouldn't paint a wall without sanding it first, right? The same goes for your skin. If you want that smooth, doll-like finish, you've got to exfoliate. Get a good scrub or a loofah, and really get in there a day before you plan on getting dressed up. This gets rid of all those dead skin cells that make makeup look patchy or cakey. And if you're dealing with body hair, make sure you've had a fresh shave or wax. Here's a little pro tip. After you shave, rinse with cold water to close those pores, and then moisturize like your life depends on it. Hydrated skin holds makeup way better than dry, flaky skin. Just make sure the lotion is fully absorbed before you start the makeup process, or things will get slippery real fast. Let's talk about the heavy hitters, bruises and hair shadows. This is where color correcting becomes your best friend. You've probably seen those orange or peach concealers in the store and wondered what they're for. Well, they're literal magic for us. If you have a bruise that's looking a bit blue or purple, or if you have a shadow from hair growth that has a cool, grayish tint, a regular foundation might just make it look muddy. You want to dab a bit of peach or orange corrector over those spots first. The orange cancels out the blue and gray tones. It looks a bit scary at first, like you're painting yourself for parade, but once you put your skin tone foundation over it, poof, the shadow is gone. It's like a magic trick every single time. When it comes to applying the foundation itself, less is usually more to start with. You can always add more, but it's a pain to take it off. Use a large, dense brush or even a damp makeup sponge. Start in the center of the area you want to cover and blend outwards. You want to really buff it into the skin. Don't just swipe it on like paint, you want to work it in so it looks like it's actually your skin. And don't forget the tricky spots like your elbows, knees, and the backs of your ankles. Those areas tend to be a bit darker or drier, so give them some extra love and blending. Now, here's the most important step if you want to stay looking flawless all day or all night. Setting. If you skip this, you're going to end up with makeup all over your car seat or your friend's couch, and nobody wants that. You need a good translucent setting powder. Take a big fluffy brush and dust it everywhere you applied the foundation. Really press it in. If you want that extra doll-like glow, you can even find powders with a tiny bit of shimmer to give your skin a luminous look. Once the powder is on, finish it off with a heavy-duty setting spray. This locks everything down and makes it sweat-proof and life-proof. You want to feel like you can dance, hug people, and move around without constantly checking if your skin is falling off. I know some of you might be thinking, is this too much? Isn't it a lot of work? And yeah, it takes a little time. But honestly, the feeling of looking down and seeing smooth, glowing, perfect skin is so empowering. It changes the way you carry yourself. You stand a little taller, you smile a little wider, and you stop worrying about the little imperfections that used to nag at you. It's about taking control of your image and feeling beautiful in your own way. We spend so much time focusing on our faces, but our bodies deserve that same level of care and artistry. And hey, if you're new to this, don't expect it to be perfect the first time. I remember the first time I tried to cover a bruise on my leg. I ended up with a weird orange patch that didn't match the rest of me at all. I felt ridiculous. But I kept practicing, I tried different shades, and I learned what worked for my skin. You'll get there too. It's a journey of discovery, and every time you pick up a brush, you're learning more about what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Remember, your body is a canvas, and you are the artist. Whether you're going for a natural, subtle blur or a full-on, high glamour, airbrush look, the power is in your hands. You have every right to feel comfortable, confident, and absolutely stunning. Skin is just skin, but the way we feel in it, that's everything. Don't let a little shadow or a bump in the road stop you from showing up as the incredible person you are. I really hope this helps you feel a bit more prepared for your next big transformation. There is so much joy in exploring these tools and seeing what they can do for your confidence. If you've tried body foundation before, I want to hear about it. What are your favorite products? Did you have any oops moments like I did? Let's talk about it in the comments. Your experiences help so many other people in this community feel less alone in their journey. If you found this helpful, or if it gave you a little boost of inspiration, please hit that subscribe button and join our My Life, My Rules family. We are all about celebrating queer life, sharing our secrets, and lifting each other up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend who might need a little extra glow-up advice today. You can also check out our other videos on makeup tips and personal stories right here on the channel. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. You are beautiful, you are valid, and you deserve to shine. I'll see you in the next one. Keep being you, keep being bold, and remember, your life, your rules. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching till now. It means the world to have you here. This community is all about empowering each other and celebrating the incredible journeys of everyone on their path to living authentically. If you're ever feeling lost or alone, remember you have a whole family here for you. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's keep inspiring each other, sending you all the love and strength in the world. Until next time, live your life by your rules.